Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The second type of content generation is the images or visual content and its types. There are different kinds of visual contents. For example, you can create the logo of your website, logo of your social media accounts. You can create brochures, cards, infographics, and you can also create the images of the important tips in your blogs. For your website, you need to create the important images which can explain your products, your store images of your services, your products can influence the people. There's a quotation that an image has the worth of 1,000 words. People are attracted towards the images. They accept the images, and the images like memes can also be used for the sake of fun. So images and the visual content is very easy to consume. Sometimes the text content, but most of the time the textual content becomes the boring for the peoples. So people do not accept the textual content. So you need to also create the content in the form of images, visual content. Visual content has more acceptability on the social media platforms. You need to create posts for the social medias, third-party platforms. You can also explain your tips in the form of images, posts. You can also create your blogs by using images. If you are explaining some tips in your blog, you can create the image for each tip, for each idea and each point. So images are a very much important type of content which a digital marketer need to create. People are interested to see the difficulties of visual content, and visual content is very easy to spread your knowledge, to spread your concept, to spread your information, to spread your to grow your business. And textual content, for example, if you are creating images which can sometimes goes viral in the shape of memes, and which can also create a fun and can generate more ideas to grow your business. So a type of fun in your business like memes can also be created. So you need to employ all the techniques, all the types of content to grow your business. So a good marketer is the one who can also generate the digital images, graphical content, visual content. So create also visual content to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching this video.